Hi, it's Adriano here from BRZ Food, and today we're gonna cook pork loin with crackling. The first step is to score the skin and leave overnight in the fridge uncovered. After that, turn around and give it a really good coat of mojo. Flip back and give the skin a good coat of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt. Straight to barbecue in direct heat at 250 degrees Celsius. Make sure your charcoal is set on side and not underneath the meat. It's been an hour and a half, and let's check it out. The crackling's good. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I think so. That's it, quick and easy. Let's cut in and taste it.